Okay, so first, we find some fuel. Next, we bring the fuel to the scissor lift and get it moving. We wheel the lift across the gym and climb to the rafters. After that, we're home free. We open up the gate and we escape.
Perfect. Get ready to watch a genius at work.
I'm good.
You're stupid.
Get up. We gotta go.
He's grabbing!
The sweet taste of triumph.
Wanna give me a C plus in shop? Watch this. Well, looky here. I made an ass kicker.
Good lord! Oh dear God! Never underestimate your opponents.
Guys, over here. Listen up. First off, we're gonna need some blowtorches.
Oh, sweet.
I know. We can use those to open up the sewer doors and make our way to the bell tower. After that, we gotta get the doors open. We need to get some gears to get them moving again.
And then we're out?
We'll still need to get to the top of the tower, but yeah, we're out.
These should come in handy.
Let me grab your shit.
We've got to get in that tunnel, so everybody keep an eye out for the blowtorch. I'm a garbage picker now, I guess.
Garbage in the sea.
This is a start. We need that fucking blowtorch.
Got something coming. This should help us.
Perfect. Just what I need. This is totally what I needed. Now this is it.
Now, let's see what we can do with this.
Let's break them out!
I think I can use some of this. I'm good. I'm good. Hey, watch my back. I'm gonna make it. Oh man.
Back it!
I'll get you fixed up. I can breathe!
Yeah, got him! Let's wrap this shit up! Okay, you know what? Fuck these tracks!
Let me lend a hand.
I'm out! I'm out!
Hey, found some scrap. Hold on.
You have no idea how happy I am to see you.
Watch out for me.
Yeah, I got an A in shop class. Crafting is a breeze.
Cool, just what I need. We should hurry up and get that torch.
I've got the torch. It's time to burn our way into the tunnel. No coming back from that one.
And for my next trick... Somebody stop it! No.
Seriously, where is the gear?
Glad to be out of
I'm really going to relish kicking your ass. I'll carry the gear. Let's get a move on, people. Medkit, please.
I'm gonna build the shit out of this.
These should be good for something. Guys! Shit, that's him! That's totally what I need. Now this is it.
This should help us.
He's here. This is the worst day of my life. Can I at least get a medkit here?
Doctor making his healing hands You don't look healthy, but I think I can...
Gotta get that door open.
You'll feel better in just a second. Here's coffee around.
Back off, freak!
Physician, heal thy friend.
It's him!
I'll kill you.
Have the gear.
Okay, I can use this. I'll just be building something while you guys stand there. I can make something. Oh gosh! Oh no!
That asshole's not getting in here.
Shit! It's poison! Remotely ready for me. I'm just a big loser!
Fuck you! Stay dead! Didn't know I could build shit, huh? I'm dying over here. Come on.
Oh, that should help.
I'll get you fixed up.
Put this up. Locking the door. Ah! We gotta get that door open.
I should be able to patch you up.
Is anybody there? I need help!
I'll bust you out.
Thanks. It was so disgusting in there.
Gotta move. Oh, this is gonna be sweet.
Oh, a trap! What a shocker!
Turret!
You don't look healthy, but I think I can help.
Got something coming. It's
Oh shit!
Here! Time to bamboo!
It's not so much!
You want some of this? Right! I'm building something. Hang on a sec.
Watch out for me! Oh, God. Back in the cave.
I should be able to patch you up.
Oh my God!
Oh shit!
Yo, I swear. This dude's gonna eat turret.
I wonder if I can make something.
Position. You're right, friend.
Chad's got this.
I'll get you fixed.
See? I beat the shit. Wow. Look at this. Big green crap.